Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion walk and back. Now, knowing how to do an accordion will be helpful. Knowing how to do an accordion walk around even more so, because it shares the same frame and setup. So I'll put links to those in the description below in case you want to go back and have a look, and it'll be easy and quick for you to find them. But jumping in, the move looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard entrance to an accordion, going semicircular back, and this bit is exactly the same as the accordion walk around we offer. We do the lady in the return direction out to the side, we flip to the other side of the accordion, the guy steps forwards turning left, and we set the frame up just like we did in the accordion walk around. So ladies arm down into the guy's right elbow. From here, ladies are pulling against the guy because the guy's pulling the ladies, so the ladies are maintaining their frame. We walk forwards. We do that for 2. How long you do it in freestyle is up to you. We're doing it this length because it fits the space we've got. We're going to pull with the right hand, guys turning right. We're going to push with the left hand, which turns the ladies left. So we basically go into mirror image of where we were. At this point, the guys are going to be pushing with the left hand, which means the ladies need to bring the wrist down and maintain their frame. So keep the guy's hand away from them. For some reason, it's quite common that the ladies pull instead of pushing and basically collapse their frame, so be aware of that so you can avoid it. So from here, guys, we keep going backwards. We walk the lady backwards. We're going to do that for a couple of counts. And then we're going to change direction. So now the compression turns into tension. We pull. So we go walk, walk. We flip. So undo what we did before. We go back for 2. The guy can actually stop a count early if he wants to get a little bit of stretch. And then what we're going to do is we're going to release with the left hand, return the lady with the right, and we're done. So we'll do the same thing from the other side to give you a different point of view, and we'll also talk numbers. So from here, we're right to right, we go back and offer 1, return 2, look 3, turn 4, frame up 5, walking 6 and 7. After the flip, we walk 8 and 1, change direction, we walk 2 and 3, flip 4 and 5, returning 6, 7 and back 8. And that's it, whole thing. Hope you find that useful. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive video. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking helps promote the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you to everyone who does that. And the notification bell when you get told every time a new video comes out, providing you've got notifications turned on. Music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.